Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today, we'd like to talk only about BTC. I want to double check the main targets and some on-chain data. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, the reward main target still relevant. So I'm way the BTC top, and it can be in June. By the way, the fun behavior relies on BTC. We formed the new low here in June 2022. So sometimes the BTC move, like in mirror way. And now we can form, like that top 139, this one. For example, it's 2.61. This FIPA I tracked since November 21. And here we can form the new all-time high, for example, in June. After that, trade and build something like this one, liquidity pool above, something like traded, some correction, summer, some pullback. I don't know, October, November, 146, 147, 150, and go into the bear market. So it's possible. If you believe in higher targets, of course, we can wait like NVIDIA chart I already showed you. It's going to be even 210K. I don't believe in 200K for BTC, but this is my target. We will see. We will see if it's playing out or not. What I like, what I don't like. That time when we go into a correction a little bit more from 106K. I wait the correction one more time to 102. I thought we could form the head and shoulder pattern, local one. Now we form like a V-shape recovery, so I'm waiting. Left shoulder, head, this one, 106. Correction to previous weekly low and go higher with the targets. But we move unstoppable higher, and now we get a good volume from buyers. So everything looks okay, but still kind of scary because the daily time frame, take profit line 125K 799, exit line 142K 119. So all targets basically relevant, and it's a 12 time frame around the same levels, 137K this one, and exit line it's 155K. So we will see how it's playing out, and yes, we get all chances basically to see the continuation of the trend. I don't think so. I can be wrong, but I don't think so. The 112K, it's the top of the top for BTC. So here, even on a 12 time frame, we want touch it one in November 24, and usually we go in higher to touch it again. What I don't like the timing, And here I marked, by the way, in previous videos, September 15, like potential end of cycle. I don't like this gap on the weekly time frame, but it's not necessary, so we should come back and close all gaps immediately. We can come back and close it later. If we talk about local zones for now, for corrections, for example, let's go to 4-hour time frame. Here we form I mark the monthly high. This is a daily open. This one. And current daily open. Previous week high we tested, it can be 106K for retest. So we still not hit the high, so we still not break the structure. So technically, yes, it's possible to see even this move to the monthly open, 104K. It's possible. Based on what news? I don't know. So now it's hard to say. I'm globally, I'm more bullish, and I wait the new all-time high again for BTC, and I will show you some logical reasons why. And need to see some correction, hold the line, previous weekly high, 106K. Here we can talk about a longs. Lowest point, it's a monthly open, 104K. And continuation. To open longs now, basically, it's, for me personally, it's not make sense. Kind of risky. It makes sense, but kind of risky. Yes, we get a huge room for growth, but kind of risky. CMA, BTC CMA, here I want to show you the daily gaps. So all gaps here we close. This one done. This one basically done. Only one is under. Is around 91K. 91, 92. I don't think so. We'll drop that low now. If we will, it's gonna be just mind-blowing. So we're gonna sweep the monthly low, close the gap. That's why I don't think so. We will close locally on CMA. We can see the I don't know, still correction to the monthly high, for example, to the previous week open, what a market here, and Monday low, weekly open. So the range between the 106K, 104K, this 2K, it's more than okay to open longs for continuation, for example. What I would like to show you more. So this is a few charts I open in here, the page. First of all, I want to show you that now it's a BTC season, so it's not an altcoin season. Anyway, guys, sooner or later, it's just a matter of time. You can check how the history is playing out. So here, May 2023, we traded here long-term period on alts. We traded under the line of Bitcoin season. After that, we saw the significant growth since May 2023 till January 2024. Some altcoins performs, and not all alts will perform this time. Also, not all. It's not enough liquidity. That's why be careful and build a realistic price targets for all alts. What is in your portfolio? You know, I'm also ready to out from some alts at a break even. For example, like Portal, I can say the Portal, I'm in losses, right? So I will wait just out at the break even. The logic is out at the break even at my entry, it's for someone who will be the profit, like let's say 500%. So it will logically to out of fix some, you know, like withdraw initial deposit and close all position. Take a look at the rainbow chart. So I think we will not see this time, you know, like crazy this one zones. So just be real, guys. I don't know why people wait now. So take a look based on this targets, and this model absolutely random, by the way, for me personally. So here, even the November 2025, we base it on this model, should be at 380K. Sounds unreal, right? So Bitcoin too heavy to push the price so easy like this one from 1K to 12K. That's why it's easiest. I think the rainbow chart will be more flat, not like parabolic, more flat. And it's going to be just more like a range. Definitely it was a time to buy, right? And now we're just like in the, so here's accumulate. So this is a accumulation phase. I can't say this is accumulation. One day, yes, maybe we will see the BTC over than 1 million or so, maybe, we can't know, right? Because of emission. But by timing, I can't say we're gonna hit the 250 or 300. But of course, everything can happen in crypto, especially. But 360 in next 3 months, I'm not sure. Maybe we're gonna hit, I don't know, like 176 or here 183. Maybe more than real, but I don't believe we're gonna touch this time some red lines. I want to show you also there here Bitcoin with M2 supply. So money supply. So the global liquidity in the world overplayed a BTC now. So usually you can track this data, you know, and take a look what happened, you know, when we overplay the BTC follow. So it's just a matter of time, you know, like it was. Yes, we can't say and compare this time, this one, with current one. But usually the money, you know, the main liquidity inflow, some money, not all liquidity. It doesn't mean that all world just blindly hop into BTC. No, but some liquidity it will inflow into BTC. This is not a top of the top like it was in 2021. You can compare it here, the green line. So still got room for growth. on BTC. So this is a monthly exchange volume. So basically we're on the lowest point. So a lot of BTC out of exchanges. Bitcoin MVRV as this core indicator, how to work with this data. I already posted the video. So we're not even close to the top. So technically, yes, we get room for growth to touch the red line, right? The red block, and it can be the end of cycle. Here, the last time it was in February 2021, this one. Maybe this time we'll hit not a touch. Maybe we'll hit the 50% of this range, you know. I don't know, around here. It's hard to say about timing. Bitcoin realized price. So the realized price now on BTC. Let me check. So this one, it's shown from May. So realized price 45K. Here's a Bitcoin realized hold ratio. Like you can see, we're not even close to the top. We're not hit the red block again. So like it was here in 17, and here's a 21. So technically we can hit at least again the last wave and form something similar to the 721 top. So maybe it's going to be similar, but I believe we will see one more leg up on BTC. Bitcoin Google Trends, nobody care about BTC. Here, 721. So interest on the BTC. Here is November 17. So you can see everything by yourself. Bitcoin addresses balance between the 1K BTC and 10K going higher. So, you know, they not sell it because here, this is how they sell it. Somebody distributed since 2021. That's why I believe we going higher because that guys still accumulate and not distribute. So this is a 200 week moving average heat map, you know. So I think we're not in an extreme green. Yes, not even a green. That's why, guys, maybe we will see that 200K for BTC. Maybe I'm too pessimistic, right, about BTC. Maybe I won't believe it and it will happen, right? But now it's hard to even imagine the BTC price 200K. But yes, it's possible. That's why, yes, soon we will see the green blocks, green circles here. It will be the time to out of BTC. Bitcoin golden multiplier ratio. Yesterday I showed you, I guess, of this data. So once again, here we can go here by lines. So I can imagine the BTC, for example, if this is the June, let's say the green line, just the middle one, it's 247K. So it's hard to even imagine how it even possible to hit that target. But maybe. But we're not at the top of the top, guys. Definitely. And this one is a P-cycle indicator. Here's the top by this indicator, guys. It's 164K. So for me, 164, 139, 140, 150, 165 possible. But I still won't believe in 200K for BTC this round. But we will see. I wish I will be wrong, right? And we see the 300K, 500K for BTC, and everybody gonna be rich. But we have to be realistic. So the P-cycle top indicator looks for me now more logical, like most of these indicators. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment, what do you think about BTC? Are we going lower from this current prices or higher? What is your all-time high for BTC by this cycle? Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. If you want to trade with my custom indicator set, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.